Yo, what's up? It's Ronnie G from YMC, giving y'all another video listen, dropping some more gems for y'all on the stock market. I'm going to be going over 3-day trades where I made an average of 10% gains. Okay. Also, I'm going to be telling you how I missed out on the 50% return. And I'm also going to drop some gems on stock trading, things like that. All right. So let's kick it off, man. So I traded LASE and I traded AGFY. These were non-sector related companies. I don't really look too deep into that sometimes, but from some of my video lessons, you guys know I look at sectors and things like that. Anyways, I made 3-day trades and I won 2 out of 3. So you go into Discord. I'm going to show you guys the conversations that I was having before. All right. I even dropped a video that I haven't posted on YouTube. So if you're in the community, this is exclusive, right? I didn't drop this on YouTube yet. I may drop it, but I was going over a quick day trading strategy, right? I was just finding descending triangles. That's all I was doing. So these descending triangles, right? I just drew a line on the downtrend on the lower highs of this trend. And I would just buy the breakout, right? So that's all I was pretty much finding. I just looked at a 1-minute chart on the day chart on the day time frame, and any company that resembled this, I found basically those stocks, right? And I made a trade on the breakout. So that was a simple strategy I was testing. You see how it panned out. Eventually, I bought before the breakout or the false breakout. It dropped down a little bit, then it went out, broke out again. There was another resistance point that I was looking at. I was like, hey, it was heavy resistance right here at this time frame, and this I think it was trading at 1950, and I was like, it's probably not going to break out of that heavy resistance because I didn't see a lot of increase in volume, heavy increase in volume. It kind of got stagnant. And so I was like, man, if there's no sharp jump, it's probably not going to make it. So I ended up selling right at the resistance and just timed it, right? And so I'm going to walk y'all through that trade. Here's another look at it on TradingView. I like TradingView charts. I use them often. And I found another one on AGFY. Okay. So I found another one. This was more of a multi-day breakout. You see that it was trading on the previous day. This had to be Wednesday. And then I traded it yesterday on the breakout. Now, you see I set my alert right there at 94 cents. And I was anticipating that if it crosses above that, I'm going to trade it. Walked away from my computer and it basically jumped out. Okay. So I'll show you guys that one first, okay? So it ended up breaking out, and then guess what happened? It broke out, didn't really do much, so I got out early, okay? So this is where I missed out on some money. So I bought, you see I bought right here at, initially I bought it the day before at 85 cents. Then I sold it as it was selling off in the morning at 89 cents. So technically, well, no, I sold it at 76 cents. Correction. So I lost on that one, right? And then I was like, you know what? If this can go back up, I'm going to buy again. All right. So I bought and then I won on that trade. There was a day trade. So you can see I bought and sold within the same day. And I was just testing it out. So I wasn't using a lot of capital or a lot of money like that. I was just like, man, let me test this thing out. Let me see what it does. It did exactly what I thought it was going to do, but it didn't. I wasn't patient. All right. I messed up. I wasn't patient. And this thing just went through the roof the next day. So it went up today 53% on a Friday. And I'm cool. Like, I'm cool with it, right? Yeah, I'm cool with it. And, I thought it was going to do that. I thought it had enough volume spikes, during the day that I like that volume could carry over into the next day. Well, it did, and just missed out on that opportunity. It's fine. But as you can see, the simple day trading strategy that I was testing out, the theory, it does work. All right. Sometimes, it's not going to eventually break out that same day. It may break out the next day. All right. I also made a trade on, what was my other trade? LASE. That was my initial trade, and DWAC. So let's go to LASC. I did alert this at 12:56 yesterday, and then it was simple, another descending triangle strategy, and I was like, hey, let me test this thing out. So let's look at it real quick. So let's look at it on a 3-day, 15-minute chart. So, matter of fact, let's go to 10 minutes because sometimes I like the 10-minute time frame. It looks better. All right, a little bit more defined, a lot more candlesticks. So I seen this descending triangle again before this actually happened. Called it out, said I was going to trade it. I got my alert. I did set an alert. When you draw these lines on TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim, you can create an alert with drawing. What that does is, if you create a drawing and you say, hey, I want this thing to break out above, when you set it and create it, it does just that. All right. But it's already past that point. So we really don't need this no more. But I just wanted to show you guys that. So it went out and then I bought, but it went flatline. Next day, as today, I missed out again. It spiked up pre-market. Like, so, stocks do move pre-market after market. And so if you do trade, understand that, stock can start trading at 6 a.m. in Central Time, which is in Eastern Time, that's 7 a.m. And, it happens where, there's a lot of volatility. So I was timing this, but my timing was wrong on both, even though I think I lost on this one completely. And the other two, I won on the day trades, but I missed out on those opportunities. So what can we learn from this? You're not going to always be perfect on your trades. Understand that. Get that out of your head. And then two, testing out theories. You can do that. Use a small capital, right? I will always say if you're going to test out a method, just, try it out, but don't use a lot of capital or even paper trade it. I do that sometimes too. If I'm trying to test out a method with larger capital, trying to see if there's sustainable strategies, I use paper trade. But just understand that when you test out, use small amounts. And then three, when I was trading these breakouts, right? Every breakout I was testing out, I always set my stop. Now, when I'm day trading, I only set a stop loss, and I don't necessarily set a target sell order right away. I'll time it out and then I'll place a market order or a limit sell order manually if I'm day trading, because if I'm day trading, I'm at my computer and I'm actually trading right then and there. I'm not leaving my computer. And if I do, then I'll place my order or I set a trail stop, and that's basically a stop order that follows the price as it moves up too. So you don't necessarily have to always look at it. That works too. I usually only place the trail stops if after I've already reached my goal and I notice a hard spike and then a lot of volume spikes as well too. But those are my trades yesterday. Simple descending triangle. You can test it out, try it out. I did. It worked out for me. You guys can use that to your advantage, however you see fit. If you test it out, let me know. Join a Discord, okay? You guys can basically join my Discord. Hey, follow me on Twitter too. Don't forget R Green and Tech. YouTube is coming out with the handles, so I'll be putting my R Green and Tech handle. You guys give me a like, subscribe. I'm trying to build my YouTube channel. I only have 38 followers, y'all. So help your brother out. But tell your friends, share my video. This is also going to be uploading on YouTube as I record this, obviously. But Let me know what you guys want to learn next in the comments. Make sure you guys comment, like, share, subscribe, all that fancy jazz. And then I'll see you guys next time. I'm checking out. Peace. Shalom.